Police Department and our community is mourning the death of an officer. Officer Greg Hamill died Wednesday from H1N1, also called the swine flu. Lena Tillett spoke with Hamill's partner and doctors about why this happened to such a young man. She joins us now live.
That's right. In 2009, H1N1 hit the United States hard, killing thousands across the country. And Wednesday, it struck close to home, killing an Omaha police officer.
It was a privilege and an honor to work with him, and I think any other police officer would say the same.
Craig Wiley was on vacation when he heard his former partner Greg Hamill was sick in the hospital. He visited his friend as soon as he returned. The next day, Hamill died.
I think it's situations like this remind me to always cherish the people that are around me. Unexpected things happen every day that are completely out of the control of us or, of anybody.
Methodist Hospital says complications from the flu strain H1N1 killed the 12-year officer. Methodist Dr. Rudolph Kutola says H1N1 can be easily transmitted by being around a lot of people and then have costly effects.
The influenza virus can spread all over the body. It can affect your brain, it can affect your heart, it can affect your lungs. And if you are, let's say, an older, vulnerable adult, it can really take over.
The symptoms are the same for the flu and H1N1, shortness of breath, muscle ache, and a sore throat. But H1N1 hits an uncommon demographic.
Doctors say the risk of getting the flu is among children and the elderly, but they can't explain why the H1N1 strain targets people who are middle-aged, like Officer Hamill. And this is why they stress that people of all ages get the flu shot every year.
The Center for Disease Control also changes the vaccinations every year to address different strains.
A person can deteriorate quickly, so the best way to prevent that is to be vaccinated.
So again, it's important to update your vaccination.
Now, the funeral for Greg Hamill will be on Tuesday at 10 o'clock at Westside Baptist Church, and you can find all that information on our website at WOWT.com. With photographer Justin Cheney, I'm Lena Tillett, WOWT.